opposition in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly, Siddaramaiah danced with people during the annual temple festival held at the Siddarameshwara temple in Siddaramanahundi village, Mysuru district. Siddaramaiah performed the Veera Kunita, which is a folk dance form. He danced with a troupe from his native village. The Siddarameshwara Temple Fest is organized once in 3 years, but it hasn't been organized for the last 6 years due to the temple construction and COVID-19. The festivities were held last night.